What's up, guys? We're back, and today we got a few things going on. So I got a custom Euro plate for Christmas for my girlfriend, and then I got eyelids that I'm gonna put on, and then we're gonna do boost gauge, boost tap, all that. And then next video we got an exhaust for my buddy's 2020 STI, so that'll be sick. And yeah, let's get into it. So with the plate, whoever had the car before me had a Euro plate because there's already holes drilled. I don't know how well you can see it, but so I'm just gonna go off those holes. And then the eyelids, I got them right here. I went with carbon fiber just because I'm gonna be wrapping the car, so I'm gonna match it. And the black one's shipping was a lot longer than I wanted, so I just did the carbon because I'm gonna wrap them as well when I wrap the car. So these just have 3M on the back. I'll pop the hood, go through all that, and then okay. So it's just 4 Phillips screws. So I went 2 top, 2 on bottom, and then I got the eyelids on. It's just 2 strips of 3M, so it's stuck on real easy. And then now I'm gonna slide the plate in, and then I got a protector with it too, so it's not gonna like chip and that kind of stuff. So yeah. So we got my steering wheel mount boost gauge, and then so this just sits on top of the steering wheel. We got power lines. I've never done this, so I don't know really what I'm doing, so following the pamphlet. So first off, I'm going to take out battery, and then I have to take off this hose right here, and that is where the cutout thing's going to be, like the tap itself. So it just slides on right there. This other one goes on, and yeah, I'll let you guys know when I got the battery out and that piece off. Okay, so I got the battery out. I had to take out the intake because it was in the way, and then I got this off. This is where the actual tap goes. It's just on the top of the intake manifold. The boost wire itself just goes through the little firewall right there, and this is how I had to set it up. So I ran this little rubber grommet to the tap wire with a little zip tie because that little piece was way too big to fit. So now that just plugs in there, that plugs into this end, and then I'll show you guys the inside part when we put the actual gauge system and wire that all up. I got the boost hose through the firewall and up onto here, and then I just took the wires and ran them back along the side of my steering wheel column, ran them back and then into my headlight gauge. The way you do it is when it's in the off position, you push it in and then turn it to like 12 o'clock and pull out, and it'll come out. And then for the wiring, red goes to the purple black, and then the black wire goes to brown, and then yellow goes to gray. And so we're gonna put everything back together, make sure it all works, put the battery in, just double check before I close everything. Okay, so we just buttoned everything up just so if there wasn't much to show. Is just put the battery intake, battery tray, all that kind of stuff back in. But so the boost gauge is on. Wiring, I don't know if I did the wiring wrong or if it's not like actually connected to the other wires and stuff, but the gauge is working, just not the lights, so I'll have to mess with that another time. But I want to show. You knocked it out of my hand.